We are less than 24 hours away from the grand Apple event this September 2020. Just like any other year, this is a huge time of the year for Apple. Apple will be expected to release all its major products and update its lineup before the holiday season. So what specifically are we going to see in this event? How has COVID impacted Apple's plans for 2020? Are things still on track? Do we expect some absolutely new products? For all this and more, subscribe to Tech and Travel. We will make sure to bring to you the latest updates from this Apple event and from the upcoming product releases from Apple all through this holiday season. First things first, let's look at what is Apple most likely to unveil at the September event. The Apple Watch Series 6 is going to be a significant upgrade from Apple Watch Series 5. For specifics on what changes in terms of the design, the features, will we get some additional health features? There's plenty to look forward to. Please stay tuned in, subscribe to our channel, and we will get you the review of Apple Watch Series 6 as soon as it is launched. Coming to the Watch SE, I'm really looking forward to it. Earlier this year, we saw a departure in Apple's strategy. From focusing on the top end of premium iPhones, Apple decided to make the SE version a lot sweeter. Now, we're expecting the same to happen for Apple Watch as well, which for years has had a starting point of $399 for the latest version, and the older versions have been starting at $199. Can Apple do an iPhone SE to Apple Watch? I'm really looking forward to it because in one way or the other, it's going to change the Apple Watch sector forever. Let me correct it. In one way or the other, it's going to change the watch industry forever. Next, Apple is expected to unveil the next version of its iPad Air. iPad Air is essentially the iPad Pro model for every non-Pro user. Now moving to iPhone 12. There is certainly a very big iPhone 12 update in the works. We expect 4 different iPhone models this year, and there is plenty to look forward to. As one would expect, due to COVID, Apple has faced certain supply chain issues, and therefore we are expecting the iPhone 12 to be delayed by about 4 to 8 weeks. Therefore, it's less likely that Apple would go ahead and launch its iPhone 12 in this event in September. Instead, one is more likely to see that in a separate event in October. Firstly, Apple TV. Apple TV was last updated way back in September 2017 when Apple launched the 4K Apple TV. It is clearly due for an upgrade, and I'm looking forward to the latest model. Apple first launched the HomePod more than 2 years ago. It has been a fantastic speaker, and Apple has made huge strides with the HomePod. Now, I personally do think it's time for Apple to take it to the next level. They need to differentiate on the sound further so that it can withstand the competition and keep deserving the price point of $349 that Apple commands. Now, there's another very interesting part to the story. Apple has been working on Apple HomePod Mini, and that for one is going to be a great device. I'm personally looking forward to see whether iPad HomePod Mini is some form of true innovation that reduces the size but still keeps the sound quality high, or is it yet one of those Apple's SE strategy that would reduce the price point, make it more accessible. In either case, I'm really looking forward to the HomePod Mini. Apple has also been working on AirPods Studio headphones. That should be interesting as well. Looking forward to it. Supply chain rumors have also hinted often at AirTags. Let's see if Apple releases it this time. The 21.5-inch iMac is due for a massive upgrade. Lastly, I do expect Apple to showcase its latest Apple Store at Singapore Marina Bay Sands. For more such unbiased reviews and for the latest in tech and travel, subscribe to our channel, Tech and Travel.